People are naturally curious. We want to learn what we can about our world. We want the freedom to roam, to meet people from here and here, everywhere really. These encounters are what make our lives better. Imagine a new way to experience the world. One built on meaningful encounters in new places, contact with knowledgeable local guides, and opportunities to forge true human connections. Imagine travel built on exploration, spontaneity, and storytelling. Possibility, fun. Imagine changing the world simply by meeting its people. From the iconic organization that's been exploring our planet for over 125 years, and the great adventure travel company that changes lives every moment of every day. Introducing National Geographic Journeys with Gadventures.